Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We'll start here in LATROBE. Behind me, we have a beautiful Lamborghini Urus. Belongs to our good friend Wes. He just picked this thing up and said, hey, I need PPF on this whole car because he is crazy enough that he drives it all year round, which is fantastic. That's what it's made for. It's an SUV. Beautiful white interior. We're ceramic coating inside and out after the PPF wrap. We also are doing tint on those front two windows to match the back. Max is just finishing up with the PPF. Coating's going down later today. This thing will be ready for pickup just in time for Christmas. Our loaner car, it's here. We're the only shop around that offers you a free loaner car. If we're doing PPF or ceramic coating for you, you can drive ours around as long as we have your car. In the wash bay, Bryant is working on prepping a Subaru. Prepping or annual? 2 week. I lied, he's not prepping it. He's doing a 2 week wash on it. This is our free wash where we go over what we did, make sure the ceramic coating is working, the PPF looks great, all that kind of stuff. And there's a Tahoe here. This is getting paint protection film and a ceramic coating. This is for our good friend Tom. We've done many, many vehicles for Tom. This Porsche Panamera was here last week and it's got a full PPF wrap and a ceramic coating. It is looking fantastic, ready to go home. And on the lift we have a Chevy Traverse. License plate is Aiken for Bacon. Just a huge fan of bacon, or maybe he owns a bacon company. I don't know, from Virginia too. This is getting a track pack, PPF, and ceramic coating. In the tint bay, Terrell tinting a Chevy Cruze. This is the part of winter I hate. If you're gonna have winter, have snow. This cold rain crap sucks, but welcome to Pennsylvania. The Corvette C8, this car is officially being given away on Christmas. So just a couple of days, somebody is gonna be the lucky winner of a new Corvette C8, courtesy of Shop with a Cop. Really great foundation run by our friend Steve that does a lot of great things for underprivileged people in our community. Got a Tesla Model S Plaid. This is the new updated Plaid. The wheels on those things look awesome. We love Elon. He builds cool cars, and that one's really fast too. We like that. It's getting a full stealth wrap with PPF. It's on deck. And that's it, except for what's happening back here. We're starting to see some action, and you're gonna see that over the next couple months because we're building a really pretty big building back here. It's gonna allow us to do more ceramic coatings, allow us some office space, conference room, stuff like that, stuff we desperately need as we are growing more shops. Side note, if you are a shop owner across the country and you are considering closing, retiring, selling, whatever, email me, josh@blackoutempire.com. We are acquiring locations mostly up and down the East Coast of the United States. Let's see what's happening at the other locations.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up is a completed job here. This is a brand new Tesla Model Y. This got a full body stealth paint protection film wrap and an 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next up is a Porsche 911. This is actually in for our winter storage program. So part of that program is it's a come and go type of deal. So this customer here had it stored. He decided, you know what, today's kind of nice. I'm going to take it out for a drive. Got it nice and dirty. Now it's back in to get re-cleaned and restored. And while this vehicle is in, he has his second vehicle in, his RX, that also got a full wrap coating and tint that's just in for one of our maintenance washes. In the tint bay, we have a 2024 Toyota Tundra. Jason and Cole are working on this thing. This is getting 20% on the two front windows to match the factory tint. In to get some paint protection film replaced is this beautiful M3. You can see marked with our tape here, a couple of the areas that are currently wrapped, the PPF got damaged. And thankfully, because it is PPF wrapped, the paint is safe. So we're going to take those pieces off and apply some new PPF and some new ceramic coating. In the wash bay, next in line for some paint protection film is this Porsche 911. This is in for our full body 8mm paint protection film wrap. We are also doing a full ceramic coating on top of the paint protection film, glass, plastic, wheels, and calipers. Back in the PPF bay is a Mazda 3. We hear all the time, PPF is only for the high-end exotic vehicles, the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris. That's not entirely true. This Mazda's in this week for a full body 10mm paint protection film wrap and an 8-year coating on the entire vehicle.